Taking the time to really work on my blás and hone in on it just opened the doors for.
So tá Laura in a sár iarach sár job at sin, it's Gaeilge house, so Laura's doing a great job there getting the blás, because I know a lot of people that some school or they know them Gaeilge. At the fall Gaeilge le cúg na sé go bhliain ní smú are learning Irish for 5 or 6 years or longer, and they stay at that level, so they might learn the rules, the grammatical rules, and the chips are ready. Agus and also they improve their store of words and that, but they don't improve on their blás. Ní chuirte fása go blás. They've laurin shade fouts martian, they still find it grating. That's all right as a learner. You might get a canvas. I don't want to be too critical of learners, but you'd expect or should expect more if someone is learning Irish for more than, say, 3, 4, 5 years. Like my Van Hain, my own wife Rebecca, that could Gaeilge fásaí go mór agus tá blás fásaí go mór freisin her blás or fluency, has significantly improved. When we first met, she had standard Leaving Cert Irish. Gaeilge má go leor ó meánscoil that. Ach nish tá could Gaeilge fásaí go mór. Is níháin does that could fuckla go fuckla, her words or store fuckla go fás mór ach tá caiideann her standard of Irish significantly improved on her blás in the soir. I don't like to go cannot in the soir blás in the soir ach you go háirit, and making sure she is in the soir Irish and fear Gaeilge cannot just down the nicest Irish accent down. When you make a maga, no will. A chairchi, mar bhí Laura ráit she's in the iirecht, go leor iirecht, go mar leisceal. Agus a fair play to sin a chaiste just chan good bit. Like any language, if you want to sound like a French person or Spanish person or whatever, you have to make an effort on not just the words, but also the blás of that language. Anyway, fág muid sinné mar se slán go fóg.